Hello there and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use Celery in a project-based fashion. So let's create a folder called project. Inside this project folder we will have three files. One is called init, and inside the init.py we don't really want to do anything. What we want to do is to define our celery.py. And inside the celery.py, what we would like to do is to import from Celery the Celery class, and we will have a Celery instance, and we call this project. And we will have the broker set to AMQP localhost, and the backend is going to be RPC, and we will include the project.tasks. And after that, what we can do is to update the configuration and say that the result expires, and we say it's 3600, so in about 60 minutes. And then if the name is equal to main, what we would like to do is to call the app.start. Alright, now we can save it and we create the tasks.py. Inside the tasks, what we would like to do is to import from the app, or rather the Celery folder, the application, and we will have the task and call this hello, return hello, and we will have the pov, which takes two numbers and returns x to the power of y, and basically that's it. Now what we can do is to go ahead and start the worker. So Celery-a project worker, and the log level is information. And as you can see, now it is working as it is intended. So if I go here and basically go ahead, what I can do is the following. So let's go and go to the project, and what I will see is the following: Python 3 from tasks import star, and oh sorry, Python 3 import project. And if I should dir project, I can see that this is working. And now what we should be able to do is to run the worker in a separate fashion. So we have something called Celery multi. So Celery multi, and we can start with one worker, the project with the log level info, and it gives us permission denied. create a PID, log files. Alright, let's create this. Oh. And var log celery and sudo ch on reaper p per var log celery ch on -r and var run celery, and now we are able to run it with the appropriate privileges. And now we have one worker which is running. So if we go to the channels, exchanges, and we have the worker one which is currently idle. So technically this is one, and we should be able to go ahead and use the Python 3 from project.tasks import star, and we have the app, the hello, and the pov, and we can use the result with the hello dot delay, and the result dot get returns the message, and we can have the pov dot delay 2 to the power of 3, come on, and we can use the result dot get. And technically that's it, and this is how you can use Celery in a project-based fashion. See you in the next one.